Brian Young, ProTriggerToys.com, ProTriggerToys.com. We sell more toy guns than anybody else on earth. We sell metal toy guns, plastic toy guns, wooden toy guns, and our number 2 customers are people, or women, and people that live in California. Go figure that one out. Okay, so the best wooden gun is made by Magnum Enterprises. They're in Rapid City, South Dakota, and every part of this gun is made in Rapid City, South Dakota. By Americans, sanded by Americans, packed by Americans. Everybody that makes this gun is in America. Rapid City. Now, this is one of their popular rifles, the AK-47 Combat. All their guns are 12 shots. And what you do is you put one rubber band into the gun like this, and then you add another one into the gun like this, and you cock it back. Now, you can shoot up to 12 shots. Now, here's something really important, and this is why I stand out between everybody else on the planet. My store does. See, I'm the type of guy is, what is the best deal for customers? And so here's the deal. So what would a kid rather have? This gun or this one? Watch this. So you can get the gun the way I just showed you, or you can get a gun that looks like this. And all I want you to tell me is, which one do you think a kid would want better? All right, so what would a kid rather have? A scope and sling? Oh, I just fired the room. I just fired that. That's right, you're not supposed to keep your finger. You're always supposed to keep it on the side like this. I was told that by when I was going through Army school or Navy school. Okay, so it's 12 shots and you shoot it. What would they rather have, a scope and a sling? Or just a plain gun? I sell more of them with the scope and sling than anything else. And another thing that is only available through ProTriggerToys.com is that you get basically 4 ounces of ammo free with your gun. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Only, and that's with all my wooden guns. Yeah, baby. ProTriggerToys.com. We have AK-47 Combats. Now let's go over here real quick. I want to show you the other guns we have. I'm going to show you my next most popular one. We also have the Winchester. This is my favorite, the 1783 Winchester. And get this with a scope and sling, baby. Man, you are going back in time, man. Going back in time, the Winchester 1873 at ProTriggerToys.com. And we also have the AR, the M16 Marauder, and then we have the junior rifles. Now the junior rifles are for kids, and you can get these with scope and sling too, okay? At ProTriggerToys.com, ProTriggerToys.com. We are the best in wooden and plastic and metal toy guns. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Get your gun now for Christmas.